If you've spent real time building something beautiful in Canva and then thought about making it interactive in Genially, you can do a direct export of your design straight from Canva. That's exactly what we're walking through today. I'm going to take this UAV operator school presentation and bring it into Genially using the Canva connection app, and then we're going to show some transformations to engage your audience. The first step is the connection app inside Canva. Once you've got it installed, you just open your design, launch the app, and log into Genially. Once connected, click the Export tab and click Export to Genially. You can send the entire presentation or just the slides you want. You'll select which account and content space, and then you'll either get an email when it's ready, or you can just pop over to Genially and refresh your content folder. Now, I'll be upfront about this. When your design comes through, it's not going to be pixel perfect. You're going to see some font distortions, maybe some elements that are a little oversized for the screen. You'll have to quickly adjust some text spacing and resize some elements as needed. I'm starting on the title slide. I'm just going through and adjusting the spacing, resizing a few elements, getting everything sitting where it should. And once things are cleaned up, I'll add some animations to make it fun. I'm adding entrance animations to the key elements on this slide, and I'm making this little drone icon hover. That one move alone makes the whole slide feel intentional and alive, and it took about 30 seconds. Now here's where we start doing what Genially is actually great at. This next slide came through as a simple bulleted list. The content is solid, but a list is passive. Your audience reads it and moves on. I'm going to convert this into cards. Same information, but more of an interactive experience. Now, instead of scanning a list, your audience is flipping through, exploring at their own pace, actually engaging with the content. This is one of the fastest ways to add interactivity to an imported design. Take any list, turn it into cards, and it works on almost any content type. On this section, let's make it more of a content transformation. This slide started as a basic, "Are you a good fit?" bullet list. 3 points, but forgettable and boring. I'm going to build a full interactive quiz using Genially's AI. Same concept. Is UAV operator school right for you? But now it's something your audience actually does rather than just reads. I prompted with what I wanted the quiz to have in it and do. Then I had Genially AI generate the quiz. I updated the colors and fonts and resized it to my screen. With content like this from Canva, you could work it two completely different ways depending on how your learner will use it. You could use it as a live presentation, on a Zoom call, with your audience watching in real time, moving through the experience together. Or you could publish it as something learners take on their own, a self-paced module, a pre-enrollment activity, a resource they come back to. So using this same design, I could make it into a self-paced course with full interactives or have a more interactive presentation to share live with an audience. So that's the full workflow. Canva to Genially, from a beautiful static design to something genuinely interactive. You get to skip the blank page, keep the design you already love, and unlock a whole layer of interactivity. Hope this was helpful and subscribe for more Genially tips and AI builds. See you in the next one.